Alrighty, this is the Making Babies Lab Part 2. Step number 2, making eggs or sperm. You're going to make babies with your partner. Don't worry, there's no sex going to actually happen. To begin, each person will need to make 2 gametes. Remember, gametes are your sperm and egg cells. Sperm and eggs are special because they, instead of having 2 copies of a gene, they only have 1 copy of a gene. Sperm, eggs, and egg cells are created through a process called meiosis. We learned it. Meiosis is a special form of cell division, in which case you start with the parent cell with 2 copies of every gene, and you end up with 4 daughter cells. They're all independently different, and they're all, but they all came from the original cell. In this lab, you're going to be making gametes by flipping a coin for each allele. With your partner, decide who's going to make the sperm and who's going to make the egg gametes. Okay? And it's important that you pay attention to what's going on here. You're going to look at your genotype. You're going to toss the coin for each trait. Okay? For example, let's say your genotype is big B, little b for eye color. If you flip the coins, if I'm this person here, so I'll put my name in the blank here. I'm T. I'm going to make the eggs, and then we've got here we've got Mrs. T here, and brown eyes. So I've got 2 alleles, right? My 2 alleles. For me, I said my brown eye color was big B, lowercase b. Okay, and mine happens to be brown. Well, I flip for either one of these alleles. Heads, the first gamete will be the allele. Tails, it'll be the second. So I flip it, and let's say I get the B. Oh, yeah. Now, Misty, she's got brown eyes, and let's say hers is also big B, little b. And she flips the coin, and she gets heads too, and it just happens that both of us have the capital letter B. So if we get together and have a baby, it's going to have the combination of the 2. Okay, it's going to have 2 capital B's, which means the baby will have brown eyes. If by some force of luck they got both lowercase b's, it would have non-brown eyes. Go ahead and continue the lab as it is, and make sure you draw your particular baby.